Are you tired or missing out on all of these huge Solana gainers such as Book of Meme or perhaps Dog with Hat or any other plays which have reached billions in market cap, and when you saw them at 100k market cap, at 1 million market cap, at 10 million market cap, you never bought them? Well, I have a meme coin for you right now which is not even launched yet. It's still in its pre-sale phase, and I can already tell you that it might be the next huge gainer. Interested in hearing it? Well, let's get straight into the website. Here you can see Kitten with Hat coming on Solana soon, and you can see what a cute cat it is. And if you haven't already noticed, it's following the Dog with Hat narrative, and it's always worth to invest in something following the narrative. Not our financial advice though, of course, but we can see that we can buy token already on PinkCell. It is indeed audited, so not to worry, token will not rug, and we can see that they already have a white paper released to read it on. If you're interested, diving deep down into tokenomics, you can see that the tokenomics are quite simple. Token symbols get in with pre-sale will be hosted on PinkCell, and if they're launched wave, supply will be set at 1 billion tokens, and they will have 5 PinkCell badges, which I will cover later. If you don't understand them, we will get over them a bit later. Liquidity is set at 60%, and it will be locked for 1 whole year. So again, you will not experience a rug since the liquidity is locked. Covering the roadmap, there will be 3 phases in total. Phase 1, crawl, website and social launch, marketing and community building, PinkCell AMA, Pride, call group features, Telegram and Twitter raids. Phase 2, walk, PinkCell fair launch, DEX2 training, DEX trainer training, CMCCG fast track listings, influencer partnerships, YouTube reviews, which is already happening. Phase 3, fly, Bitcoin, DEX2 ads, text listings, YouTube marketing, fly activity contests, continue ad campaign. So they are focusing a lot of their attention on marketing, which will make this project, in my opinion, fly, as they are saying right here, because there's a lot of attention to marketing, and they will be putting out their name out there on every major social news website, which is very cool. On the top left side, we can see some of their socials. So if you're interested in the project so far, make sure to go follow them on Twitter and Telegram. I'll have them linked down below in the description. But now let's dive deep into their PinkCell. Here you can see Kitten with Hat fair launch with the 5 badges being right here. And if you have been a loyal viewer of my channel, you might know that 5 badges on a PinkCell pre-sale is a huge deal for any sale, guys. If you don't know what these means, well, the first badge means docs, is that they are docs on YouTube. If we click this one right here, we can see that it takes us to their AMA, where the founder basically speaks out on their project. Safety means that the contract is built with a third-party company. Safe means that the contract address was made using a third-party service, basically making the contract safe. Audit means that the contract was audited. KYC to PinkCell, basically they have provided their identities to PinkCell, and AMA means that they have hosted an AMA on Pink Ecosystem Telegram channel. Well, anyways, getting that covered, we can see that the sale will end in 3 days and 5 hours, and they have so far raised 185 Solana, which is a very huge deal, and it's also from 5 Sol, which is worth considering since the hard cap was 5 Solana, but they have went way past over it. You can see that some YouTube influencers are already shilling the project, which is another good sign. And we can see again all of the good stuff. They will be having a marketing budget of $200,000, which makes me really believe that this project will be something else. Again, we can confirm the tokenomics right here. It's all good. Pre-sale liquidity, text listings again, and 5% for the team, which is very fair price for the project they are doing. If they're spending 200,000 on marketing, they definitely deserve at least 5% for the token of the tokens for themselves. Now with the pre-sale being covered as well as the website, that's about it for the project. That was Kitten with Hat, guys. Let me know what you think about this one down below. Again, the launch will start in 3 days, so when you're watching this video, make sure to hurry down in the description, check the pre-sale, see if it's still going on, and if you're interested in the project, make sure course to invest in it. Not a financial advice though. I do not encourage you guys to invest into anything I say or talk about in my videos, but anyways, you get the point. Personally, from my opinion, I think that this project is pretty safe. It has the narrative, it has the funds. There's 200 Solana already in the pre-sale. I think that it can be putting up some very nice numbers, so I'll be keeping a close eye on it for sure. Again, let me know what you think down below in the comments, but as always, thank you for tuning in into another one of my videos, and I'll make sure to catch you in the next one. Stay safe and good luck investing in DeFi.